be courageous and offer ideas, and I think particularly in the data space, this is huge. You
Hmm.
look at any company, they will tell you what their initiatives are. When I read these articles, one of the first things I always think about is what data are they collecting to assess what they ought to be doing to fix XYZ?
Hmm.
And I would challenge anybody in that space to do the same. If you work for a company, you hear you hear what it is they're focused on. There's data that helps inform those things. And I think it behooves people in the data space to surface up those ideas. So
Hmm.
I'm always looking for intellectual curiosity.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for people with the other thing I will say is emotional maturity,
Hmm.
because just because you may have a great idea, I may not have bandwidth to do it. So I don't want you to get offended or think I'm not listening. You have to set very tight priorities if you're going to get some things done. But I think it's always about being curious about why things happen the way they do, and being able to offer new ideas.
Hmm.
I love that. The people that just get me so excited is the ones that say, "Hey, do you ever think we could do this? What about this? Why aren't we
Hmm.
measuring that? Why aren't we go?" No, that's a great idea. Let's see. What do we have the data to do it? Is the data clean? Is it reliable? Blah blah blah. But yeah, let's go test it.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, I love that. I love that. Uh, Curiosity is definitely important across the board, but it's extra important in data science, where you have to ask questions. You have to ask a lot of questions.